Valve is back. And this time, they fixed everything people didn't like about the original Steam controller. Meet the all-new Steam Controller 2026, a powerful, customizable gamepad built specifically for PC gamers. This is Valve's latest controller, designed mainly for PC gaming through Steam. Unlike traditional controllers, it blends console-style controls with mouse-like precision thanks to its unique touchpads and advanced motion controls. It's built for players who want to sit back on a couch and still have the precision of a keyboard and mouse. So, who is this controller actually for? First, PC gamers who play from the couch. Perfect for Steam, big picture mode, or gaming on a TV setup. Second, games that don't normally work well on controllers. Like strategy games, FPS, or RPGs, the trackpads can act like a mouse. Third, Steam Deck users or Steam ecosystem fans. It integrates seamlessly with Steam, including custom control profiles. And finally, customization lovers. You can remap almost every button, create profiles, and fine-tune controls for each game. Now, here's where things get interesting. Valve made serious upgrades. A more traditional layout with dual thumbsticks and a proper deep TMR magnetic thumbsticks for better accuracy and less drift. Improved dual haptic trackpads with sharper feedback. New grip sense tech that detects how you hold the controller for customizable rear grip buttons. And improved ergonomics. This isn't a weird experiment anymore, it's a polished, modern controller. Tech specs. Let's quickly run through the specs. Dual high-resolution touchpads. TMR magnetic thumbsticks. A 6-axis gyroscope for motion control. For programmable back buttons. Capacitive grip sensors. And wireless connectivity via SteamPuck, Bluetooth, or USB-C. Battery life is over 35 hours. It works across Windows, Mac, Linux, Steam Deck, and even mobile devices. Through Steam Link, the Steam Controller 2026 launched on May 4th, priced at around $99 US, and it's sold mainly through the Steam platform, not typical retail stores. So, is it worth it? If you're a hardcore PC gamer who loves customization, this might be one of the most versatile controllers ever made. But if you just want plug and play, simplicity, or console compatibility, this might not be for you. Let me know what you think. Would you pick this over an Xbox or PlayStation controller? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and gaming content.